The challenge of this project was to try and survive off of what we could grow ourselves. We needed to research what type of crops we could grow in late September that can grow and survive in the upcoming cold climate. We also needed to find a way to successfully defend our crops against animals and other people eating or trampling over them. We ended up using multiple methods for repelling unwanted animals and multiple methods for fertilizing our crops.
Here we see an Archimedes screw. An Archimedes screw is designed to bring water uphill by using gravity. Gravity will keep water at the bottom of the tube, and as the tube spins, the water will slowly move up the tube towards the top. In a real-life situation, we would have had this tube down closer to the water for easier access to bring it up. Once the water was up the tube, it would have fallen into another bin, and we would have then moved it onto our plants.
To make sure the plants are able to grow to their full potential as quickly as possible, we use natural fertilizers. The first natural fertilizer that was used was seaweed. Seaweed contains hormones that help encourage plant growth and includes nitrogen, potassium, phosphate, and magnesium. Seaweed also helps improve aeration. The other fertilizer that was used was powdered milk. Milk is rich in calcium for plants and includes vitamin B and sugars that are helpful for the health of the plant.
We chose to plant kale, Swiss chard, and spinach. Kale is high in fiber, full of potassium, and contains the vitamins K, C, and B6. Swiss chard contains vitamins K, C, and A, and has magnesium, potassium, iron, and dietary fiber. 1 cup of chopped Swiss chard has 35 calories. 100 grams of raw spinach contains 23 calories, 2.9 grams of protein, 2.2 grams of fiber, and 0.4 grams of fat.
Our defense system consisted of a few repellents and fencing. The first repellent we used were coffee grounds. Both repellents raise the acidity of the soil, naturally repelling any organism with low tolerance. However, coffee grounds are known to keep away pets, snails, slugs, and deer. For our second repellent, our group decided to use seaweed because we have direct access to our waterfront. Seaweed repels any slugs, earwigs, and other pests. To keep our garden safe from larger animals, we used chicken wire and fencing stakes to keep it sturdy and upright. In the beginning of this project, we had a lack of defense system where only our kale was protected and much of our other produce was walked over. However, once we upgraded to a complete fence, this was no longer a problem.